How to vote with the InstaVote link using Orange Money. This is the InstaVote link shared with us. Tap on the link. The link will take you directly into the app, right to the section of that contestant whose Insta link was shared with you. And any vote purchased here will go directly for this specific contestant in this category. Scroll down. Select the quantity if you want more than one. Tap on Next. Scroll down, select Orange Money. Enter the full Orange Money number here. Scroll down, enter your Orange Money PIN. If the number which you entered here is not in this phone, scroll down, use the phone where the Orange Money number is and dial this short code. After dialing, tap Next. Orange Money will send you a payment code in that number where you dial the short code. Enter the payment code here and tap Submit Payment to complete. But if the Orange Money number is in this phone, tap on Get Code from Orange Money. Tap Dial. Tap OK. Open the message that was sent to you by Orange Money, which contains your payment code. This is your payment code. Note it down as you'll be required to enter it when you get back into the app. Get back into the app. Enter the payment code and tap Submit Payment. My payment was successful and my vote has been recorded. To keep track of your vote records, tap on Go to Votes. Tap on My Votes to view who you voted for. I voted one vote for this contestant in this category.